I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are talking about in the way, out of the way, and on the way. We're talking about in the way and out of the way because they are opposites. On the way is not similar to in the way or out of the way, but we're talking about it because it looks similar to in the way, and this confuses many people. So, hopefully, after watching this short video, you won't be confused anymore. When someone or something makes it difficult for you to go somewhere or difficult for you to do something, we can use in the way. I wanted to play basketball in front of my house, but someone's car was in the way. This means that I couldn't play basketball because someone parked their car in the place I usually play basketball. My dog always gets in the way when I am exercising. This means that my dog likes to be near me when I am exercising, and this makes it difficult for me to exercise. His job gets in the way of his happiness. This means that his job prevents him from being happy. Out of the way is the opposite of in the way. If something is out of the way, it does not stop us or create difficulty. You are standing in front of the door. No one can exit. Please get out of the way. This means please move away from the door. If you are going to exercise in this room, please put the expensive chairs somewhere out of the way. This means please put the chairs somewhere where they will not be damaged. Out of the way can also just mean that something is far away and not easy to access. I don't go to that restaurant very often because it's out of the way. It's not near any of the other places that I usually go to. On the way means that right now someone is traveling to the destination. I'm on the way. This means that right now I have left my original location, but I have not yet arrived at my destination. She's on the way to the office. This means that right now she is traveling to the office. I'll call you when I'm on the way home. This means that I will call you after I have started traveling home. So yeah, that's how we use in the way, on the way, and out of the way. If anything was not clear or you would like some more examples, please feel free to let me know. Thank you for watching.